This is a remote learning initiative by St. Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East, Maharashtra, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Today's session for Junior KG, subject English, topic Introduction of Letters, name of the teacher Rakhi Gupta. Children, this is capital cursive letter M. Capital cursive letter M. M says M. M says M. So now let's see the picture. And what is there? In the month of March, two friends, one magician and a magistrate met. They marched to the mountain, drinking mango milkshake. On the way, the lovely moonlight kept them happy and gay. See, this is a magician, and she is magistrate. This is moon. They are drinking mango milkshake. So all words start with letter M. So now we'll see how to write capital cursive letter M. First we will trace the dotted line. Nicely we will trace, will not go out of the line. Slowly we'll trace all the dotted line. See, now we'll complete with the dotted line. Now we'll see how to write cursive capital letter M. From the second blue line, we'll take a small curve and we'll go up with a slanting line. Then come down, touch the second blue line with a slanting line. Then again we'll go up with a slanting line, touch the red line. Then we'll come down and take a small curve. This way we will write cursive capital letter M. So now this way we will write inside the boxes. This way come down, go up, then again will come down. Yes, and again we'll write cursive M. This way we will complete all the boxes. Now we'll see the picture. This is a mustache. So here we will write cursive capital M inside the small box. Again this is a magician. And again we will write cursive capital M, magician. This is a magazine. So here again we will write M. Now we'll turn the page. Here we can see cursive capital letter M. Now we'll see some picture related to the cursive capital letter M. This is a mobile. M for mobile. This is mittens. This is motorbike. Now we will write inside the box. The same way we will write. First we will trace the dotted line and then we will write cursive M. Go up, come down. Again we'll go up, come down and take a turn. We'll write inside all the boxes cursive capital letter M. Nicely we will write. Children, we do practice at home nicely. This way we'll complete our worksheet of capital cursive letter M. Happy learning, children.